is all painful?
No.
Breathe out. Yes, breathe out. Now on your back. On your back, just turn around. Now turn towards me, side turn. Yes, that's it. And this. Breathe out. Other side. Okay, good. Come. Done. You can sit here. Welcome viewers. Today we have Mr. Victor, who's from Brazil, and Victor has had a few operations in past, which I would like to mention it before we start. He has both bilateral hip replacement, as he has told us that his pelvis and his core was very unstable, so his walking and the other joints, subsequent joints, were also affected. So first operation he had was in 2014 for one side, and then subsequently which year? Next was
the next year, 2015.
So today we have observed that he also developing towards the severe low arches, so we have advised him for the insole. And as we have done his rest of the treatment, which is cupping, needling and the adjustment. So Victor, how did you feel about the treatment?
Oh yeah, I'm feeling much better, you see, and I hope that it will work.
Yes. So everything believes in the hope, and I'm also very hopeful that Victor will have tremendous effect on his spine, on his posture in coming months. Firstly, we need to change his posture, which will be starting from his feet that he started going to wear, and we have given him a moldable insole. So in next 2-3 months, when he comes to us and his arches improves, we can still make the arches better. His posture should be drastically improved. Guys, maybe in 3 months time we will shoot again with the Victor and show you how much better he's feeling. So his hope would be determined to succeed with the better results. And what would you like to say to our Indian viewers here?
Oh, just that I really trust in that kind of approach and treatment. This is the reason that I'm here, and I strongly suggest you, if you need to try to find the same.
And whoever may be watching back in Brazil or the rest of the world, what would be your message in Portuguese to them?
É muito bom esse tipo de tratamento. Eu já na primeira sessão eu já estou sentindo a diferença, né? E é uma abordagem que eu acho muito válida e muito eficiente, sobretudo para casos como o meu, que são mais complexos.
थैंक यू व्यूअर्स, आई होप कुछ लोगों को तो ये समझ आया होगा। बाकी आप लोग मुझे ट्रांसलेट करके कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिएगा कि आप लोगों को क्या समझ आया, और अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगती है प्लीज़ शेयर करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचाएँ। थैंक यू विक्टर।